I'm not running away. In fact, I want to help her out. So I was standing at Maria Hall. My sister-in-law got down to buy fruits from the opposite side. So the bus came from behind and horned to move the vehicle. So I moved the vehicle ahead, and from Margaon side that bus came. Na? So I was at that full traffic was there over there. She got down of the bus and came in front of the vehicle. Vehicle was not even at 5 ka speed, I would say, because it was just taking over there, and she fell down, hit in the front, and she fell down on the back. For 10 minutes, people did not allow me to take her and go. I was willing to take her and go. Finally, the Savio and they helped me to take her. I brought her to the hospital. None of the locals was willing to help her.
But now who brought her?
I brought her.
You brought her?
Tata accident झाला ते feel voice इथे ती बावडी चालवून होता दोन्ही बसीने असं ब्लॉक केला त्याचं चलयतल्याचे व्यू दिसना ती तिका मुकली गाडी म्हणजे स्लो असताना मुकले तेणे ती तकलेन पडून तिका हाटाचे येऊन तकलेक मार लागत त्याचे डेथ झालं मेन प्रॉब्लेम कितें आतां 30th हे आतां पुलिसीचे जंक्शनाचेर पुलीस रावन क्लियर करपाक जाय इतलें इम्पॉर्टंट ते पुलीस कोत्ताले आतां मदें करीच ना हांव कितें म्हणटा थोडे वस्तू आसा ते तिका क्लियर जावपाक जाय आनी लोकांनी सजोवंक जाय
एक्सिडेंट सारको मारिया जंक्शनाचेर
सारको मारिया हॉला जंक्शनाचेर बायल माजिलवाडो दांडो ग्रावंडाचे त्या दोन्ही सायडीक दोन बस वाल्ले प्रॉब्लेम ते बसीचे बस तिंगा कितें करतात स्टेशन केला तेणी इट्स नॉट अ बस स्टॉप बस स्टेशन केला प्रॉब्लेम तें जालो कित्याक तेका चेस करपाक जाय पुलिसीन